Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be tackling the question, should you join Livegood, and the reasons why or why not. First of all, let's take a look at the company. This is the Livegood website here. It is a supplement company that is revolutionizing the health and wellness industry. It is a membership program that greatly lowers the cost of supplements. And here are some of the supplements: Super Red, Super Greens, coffee, CBD. Let's go over here to the product page. And as you can see, the supplements are greatly reduced in price. Let's look at the Super Reds. $18 for the Super Reds, as opposed to Organifi or Super Beets, which is $40 and $70 respectively. So you save 74%, 54%. So the products themselves are fantastic. They have great ingredients, all organic. But what we're looking for and talking about today is why you should join the business side of the company. So let's go take a look at the compensation plan. And here is the pay plan, affiliate compensation. Before we get into that, let's talk about timing, because timing is everything. Just imagine if you got into Amazon when it first started, or Walmart, or Bitcoin at $33. This company has just started about a month ago, and it only has 7,000 members right now. It's estimated to be over 1 million by the end of 2023. So if you're getting in now, you're getting in at the perfect time. But let's go ahead and look at this compensation plan. If you can earn up to, it says you can earn up to $2,000 a month without ever enrolling a single person. And you know what? I'm beginning to believe that is true if you get in now, because this force matrix is down here. Let's look at the force matrix. So say if you're unranked, you have not sponsored anyone at all. Here you are in the unranked section. You still get 2.5% on everybody that's in the matrix. And if you get in now with only 7,000 members, and by the end of the year there's a million members, this whole matrix should be filled up. Now, if you're bronze, that means you sponsored 2 people. Everything gets a little bit more interesting. You open up the 13th level and you can make up to $4,000 a month just from your matrix. What I like most is the weekly fast start commissions and the matching bonuses. And this is where it really gets interesting. If you're unranked and you sponsor one person, you get 50% of that, their enrollment fee, which is $49.95 or a $25 commission paid weekly. So you get this every week. Now, if you sponsor 2 enrollees, you will make 50% on each one, of course, and that's $25 each. Plus you make 10% on the people that they sponsor. On our team, we help everybody get to bronze and silver as fast as possible. Silver is 10 enrollees. We have an automated system, which I'll talk about later, that automates the whole marketing process for this company and for this program to help you get to the bronze and silver as fast as possible. So let's come down here and look at the matching bonuses. So your first generation, you get 50%, as we talked about earlier, and once you're silver, you get 10% on their enrollees and 10% on their second generation. This is silver. So if you get up to the 10 enrollees, you get this. If you get to gold, you get 5, 5, and 5 for the down to the third generation. So if you personally sponsor 10 people, which you get to silver, and they're each making $6,000 each. Say they're making $3,000 per month each, and you'll get a matching bonus, 50% matching of what they earn. So if they're making $3,000, in this example it says $3,000, we're going to cut that in half. Matching bonus each month for a total of $30,000 or $15,000 a month. 10 people times your matrix times 3,000, or cut that in half, $1,500 each. You get a bonus of $15,000 a month. Let's go over to the leaderboard, and I'm going to show you the potential of this. And you're going to see it in real-time terms. So here is the leaderboard. Here is my mentor here, my sponsor, Edward Keat. He has also enrolled Jeffrey Amon. So he's the #1 sponsor at 183. This number was at 50 6 days ago. So he had only had 50 sponsors, and now he's at 183, Edward Keats. And we're all using the same system, and as you can see, this is growing exponentially. So Edward Keats, although he's at rank number 5, he's got Jeffrey Amon under him, which is at #1. So we're part of this whole team. We use the same marketing system. And let me show you one of the pages that we use. And this is the one that you'll get if you sign up under me. says hurry up, lock in today. And that is very important because you can take the tour and lock in your position without even joining until Thursday. So every Thursday it resets. So you have until Thursday at midnight to lock in your position in the matrix. The pages that we use, and this is what you'll get as soon as you sign up. Even if you just lock in your free position, you'll get this. So if you come in here and click on this, it'll take you over to the Livegood page. And this is my page, Tarek Salem. You enter your name and email. This gets sent to Livegood, and it shows up in my enrollees, pre-enrollees. Called a pre-enrollee until you pay the $49.95, and then you are a full member. But as soon as you lock in your position in the matrix by filling out this form, I'll get the email. I'll send you over this page and 3 other pages that you can plug into our automated system. You will also get this page once you become a paid member and join the Livegood system. You will get this page. It'll have your name up here, and this you can mark it. And this is doing fantastic with getting people enrolled. So there's huge room for growth in this company, and timing is the key for this. If you're thinking about getting it, click the link below, watch the video, and lock in your place in the matrix. Because this thing is going to be huge. It's growing super fast, exponentially. And if you join my team, I help you get your first 2 sponsors by giving you the promotional materials, the websites. Also, you get an email sequence. You get placed into in my rotator. So once you get it, you get your link, and I'll place it in the rotator to help you get your first 2 enrollees. And also, you will get exclusive content. Some of my videos that I don't post on YouTube, only my team members get to see that. So go ahead, take a look at the video, click the link below, and I will send you out that email.